In this video, we're going to learn how to freeze a frame, which means stopping a video at one exact moment and holding that frame on screen. This is useful when you want to highlight something, explain a scene, add text, or create a dramatic pause in your video. Let's start. First, make sure you have a clip placed on the timeline. Now move the playhead to the exact frame you want to freeze. You can scrub slowly on the timeline and just choose the perfect moment. Once the playhead is in position, right-click on the clip. From the menu, select Add Frame Hold. The moment you click this, Adobe Premiere Pro freezes the video at that exact frame. The clip now holds on that single frame instead of playing forward. If you want the freeze frame to stay longer or shorter, simply drag the edges of the clip on the timeline to adjust its duration. The video will remain frozen for as long as the clip lasts, while you can still add text or graphics, add music or voiceover, emphasize a specific moment. And that's it. You now know how to freeze a frame cleanly and correctly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.